Shiba Inu coin is falling right now, but let me explain why I think that's not going to be the case for much longer. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss any of my Shiba Inu coin analysis. And if you guys want to pick up a free stock, check out our link down in the description below in public. It's a great social investing network app that allows you to see what your friends, family members, and even famous people are buying, selling, and talking about in the stock market. Plus, when you sign up with our link, you support the channel. And when you deposit $1, you guys will get a free stock. So check the link down in the description below, hit that up and check that out. But other than that, guys, let's get right into this video. Alrighty guys, now before we get into the Shiba Inu analysis really quick here, I just want to ask you guys to please let us know down in the comments below how many Shiba Inu tokens you guys are holding. We love to see how strong the Shiba Inu army is. It's incredible to see every single video how much outpouring support that you guys provide and show us just how incredibly strong that the army actually is. I'm thinking about maybe pinning the most or the highest holding comment. Whoever holds the most Shiba Inu, I might pin that comment. So let us know down in the comments below how many Shiba Inu tokens you guys are holding, and it will just be awesome to see how strong the Shiba Inu army is. Now, let's get into Shiba Inu itself and talk a little bit of news and speculation and everything that's going on. So the biggest thing that's going on right now is, unfortunately, as you can see here on the one-day chart over the last 24 hours, we're experiencing right here at about literally 7:59, literally about 10 minutes ago before starting this video, a massive dump to the downside here. Well, massive is relative, but a pretty decent sized dump from about the 2.8 level all the way down to about the 2.6 level. Now we're starting to rebound back a little bit here, back up to about the 2.6 to 2.7 level. As you can see here, we're only down, we were down about 8%, but we are slowly climbing back towards the upside. So what does this mean? Well, this could mean a few things, right? The first thing that it can mean is the fact that, well, the entire cryptocurrency market is down. Let's go take a look at the rankings real quick here, and we'll look and see where Shiba Inu sits among everything. All right, so we have dropped a few rankings. Yesterday we were at 17, now we are at 20 as far as market cap is concerned. And of course we are down a little bit today as far as the price goes. That being said though, we are slowly going up. So that is obviously some good news. The rest of the market is pretty green. Most altcoins are doing very well today. And unfortunately, it looks like just Shiba Inu is a victim of likely a whale selling their position. This is more likely a whale type of move, you know, for those of you who are unfamiliar with kind of how Shiba Inu moves. But as you can see here, guys, we're recovering quite nicely. Look at this, 2832. We're only down 3% now. As we're making this video, we are starting to recover. We'll also do some better technical analysis here on TradingView in the later part of this video, just so you guys are aware. Now, what I really would like to do here in today's video, though, is get into this article, which I think summarizes a really great bullish case for Shiba Inu. It's a great piece of news that I think Shiba Inu holders would really like to hear. Now, that being said, Shiba Inu, as you can see here, the price here, Shiba Inu price awaits 42% rally as bulls tackle one last key resistance. Shiba Inu price is at a critical point as it inches closer to a massive bull run. The Dogecoin killer needs to break above the 3037 level for Shib to reach the optimistic target of a 42% climb. However, a slice between the 2879 could spell trouble for the bulls. So what's interesting about this article is obviously this was written a couple of hours ago. Now, unfortunately, guys, we have, as the article says, sliced below the 287 level. Obviously, we just saw that. But again, guys, we are recovering pretty much back to those levels, if not above. People are buying the dips, right? This happens. Again, guys, this is what happens when whales sell their positions, right? We see a sizable candle being formed on these types of charts. I mean, look, there's been candles like this before where we've seen dumps like this. So keep that in mind, guys. Just because we're seeing a small candle like this, nothing's fundamentally changed, right? Nothing is really, you know, incredibly different about this rally than anything else. Well, actually, I should say this rally is incredibly different, but I'm saying that basically just because there's a small red candle doesn't necessarily mean that, you know, all of a sudden, okay, Shiba Inu is worthless now, it's not going anywhere. Again, guys, look at how stable we are at these levels and the way that we're trading over the last couple of days. It's been trading on an upward pattern, but still stable at these levels, not, you know, really consolidating towards the downside in any significant way. Again, I keep saying this every video, and I'm going to keep saying this rally is fundamentally different than the first rally that we saw back in May, where really the pump or the actual days that Shiba Inu was up only lasted for about 2 or 3 days. As you can see here, May 11th to 12th, and then just dumped right after that. Now, let's go over here. Look at this, starting October 3rd, October 4th, October 5th, October 6th, October 7th, October 8th, October 9th, 10th, 11th, and now 12th, 13th today. And of course, 14th today, rather. Today is not the 13th. But anyways, it just keeps going, guys. And The reason I bring that up is because any rally that is going to sustain itself for a long period of time is going to provide a healthy amount of support, a healthy amount of consolidation at these higher highs, and that's exactly what Shiba Inu Coin is doing, in my opinion. Sorry, I just wanted to kind of backtrack, or I guess go off to ask a little bit there for a second, because it's something interesting that I wanted to talk about, and I think it's something worth mentioning. So let's hop into this. Shiba Inu price appears to be consolidating following its tremendous rally of over 340% in early October to a swing high of 3528. Shib has presented a continuation pattern that is nearly at the brink of a make or break point. If the Dogecoin killer manages to slice above a crucial level of resistance, it could anticipate a rally of 42%. Shiba Inu price eyes ascent towards 4346 level. Shiba Inu price has formed a symmetrical triangle on the 4-hour chart, including that the bulls may be catching their breath following the massive uptrend. While Shib is confusing investors with directional cues, its next move could indicate a 42% ascent, depending on whether the token manages to slice above a critical hurdle. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about that and just kind of my thoughts. So as far as what they're talking about with the, I believe, what did they say? It was an ascending triangle, right? Was that not what they said? A symmetrical triangle or a bull flag. I mean, you call it a pennant pattern, bull flag, symmetrical triangle, whatever you'd like to call it. I've been talking about this in a lot of videos, saying that this is something that I, absolutely see as well, and that it is in my opinion, a bullish case for Shiba Inu to go to higher highs. And as you can see here, again, we're still holding well. Again, we are seeing a little bit of a red candle, unfortunately. So hopefully that candle does not break out of that pattern. But again, guys, we've seen worse red candles bigger than this, obviously, in the past couple of days. So as long as we can continue to consolidate at this level and push higher, I'm not super worried about it, guys. And again, too, I say this every video as well, and I'd like to just reiterate it, is as long as social interest and as long as volume continues to be relevant, as long as people continue to talk about this coin and continue to have great opinions about it and continue to buy it, right, and at the end of the day, again, I still think that this coin has a little bit of run in it. And I know you might be thinking, well, how is that possible? Is that possible? Again, TikTok is an incredible tool. I keep talking about TikTok because TikTok is what really, in my opinion, sent a coin called Dogecoin, if you're familiar with it, to the moon. People started buying it as a joke. It kind of became a big meme. It was just a incredible story of how kind of it's like a meme, right? People were joking about it and having all these different opinions about it, and then eventually so many people began to buy it, and you keep going and keep going and keep going. Dogecoin eventually passed $1. Did it pass $1? Actually, I don't know if it passed $1, but it went beyond 1 cent, right? It used to be 1/10, even third or fourth of a cent, and continued to run to those higher highs. If something like that happens with Shiba Inu, I think it could be huge. So that's why, again, I'm always holding out with this coin. I always have lottery money in this coin. I have money I'm not afraid to lose, because again, guys, I think this is an opportunity for some upside risk. It's an asymmetrical bet, and I just think that it's very interesting. We also have a video probably coming out later today talking about the Robinhood possible listing. Again, guys, there's always been rumors about that, but again, the rumors are continuing to spill out, especially now with Robinhood's new crypto portfolio, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it today for this coin. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. If you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, check out our link down in the description below. When you guys use that link, not only does it help support the channel, but you also will get a free stock when you deposit $1. It's a great deal for both of us. You support the channel, and you guys also get a free stock when you click the link. Make sure to let us know down in the comments below how many Shib tokens you guys are holding. We always love to see how strong the Shiba Inu army is. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.